Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can link Trello and Slack, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on my board in Trello, and I'm going to go to my workspace settings to start the entire process to connect Slack to Trello. And as you can see, it is pretty much as easy as clicking this one button. It is available in the workspace for all versions. As you can see, it is telling me to upgrade for premium, so I do not have premium yet. So even if you're a free user, you can very easily do this. So just click add to Slack, and then it's going to take you to this page. Now, I'm not sure how this is going to work since I do not have a Slack account, but after a certain amount of time, this allow button will start to will become green, and you'll be able to enable all these permissions for Slack and for Trello so that you can integrate them together. Just click allow, and once that's done, you'll be able to get here. As you can see, you will be automatically logged in since you're already logged into Trello, and as you can see, the Trello Slack app will be able to do all of these things. You can read through them if you want to, and you will have the access to the following boards if you want to. Then just click allow again, and once that's done, you will have connected your Slack and Trello. So as you can see, this is linked to slack.com, this Slack workspace, so workspace members can self-join this Trello workspace if they want to, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.